Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can connect Telegram bot to N8n. So let's get started. First, create a Telegram bot. Open Telegram, search for BotFather and select it. Click Start, then choose the command /new bot. Follow the prompts to name your bot and set a username. Remember, the username must end with bot. For example, I'll call mine RGTbot. Once that's done, you'll see a message saying congratulations, you have your new bot. Telegram will also give you a token that can be used to access the HTTP API. Copy this token and keep it safe. Next, go back to N8n. Click the drop-down next to Create Workflow and select Create Credential. Search for Telegram API, press Enter, and then click Continue. Paste your access token into the required field and click Save. Now your Telegram bot is successfully connected to N8n. From here, you can add the Telegram trigger node to your workflow. Select your Telegram credentials and choose the events you want to listen for, such as messages or commands. You can also add a Telegram node to send messages or replies. Just select your credentials, configure the action, set the target chat ID, and enter the message content. This setup enables Telegram bot-driven automation for your workflows, making it easy to send alerts, replies, or create other interactive chat features. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.